Hi everyone, Mike from the Excel Trainer here. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly find the highest and lowest values in a given range. I'll also cover how to find the second highest and third lowest values. And these tips can save you a lot of time when working with large data sets. If you want to follow along, you can download a copy of the demo file from the link in the description below. Here's a list of players from a fictitious soccer team. For each player we have the name and the height, and as you can see the list is in alphabetical order. I need to know the height of the tallest player, the height of the shortest player, the height of the second tallest player, and the height of the third shortest player. In the real world, you'd probably want to know the names of the players who fit the criteria, which I will show you towards the end of the video. But that requires a more complex formula, and always with learning, we need to start simple and work up. So to retrieve the height of the tallest player, I basically want to pick the highest value from the range B2 to B23. And to do that, I'll use the max function. So in H1, I'll put equals max, open brackets, and specify the range, which is B2 to B23, close brackets, and enter. That picks up 186, which is the highest value in that range. For the shortest, I need to know the lowest value in that range, and to do that, I'll use the min function. So equals min, open brackets, B2 to B23, close brackets, and enter. For the second tallest, I'll use the function called large. Equals large, open brackets, and this takes two parameters. The first parameter is the range I want it to look at, which is B2 to B23. Then a comma, which is my parameter separator, and then the number 2. The reason it's the number 2 is because I'm after the second tallest or second largest or second highest figure in that range. Close the brackets and enter. And finally, to get the value of the third shortest, it's the third lowest value in that range, and for that I'll use the small function. Equals small, open brackets, select the range, comma, and in this example 3, so that will return the third smallest value. Close the brackets and enter. So now we've covered the basics, I'll show you how to retrieve the name. I'll use the second tallest player as the example, but the concept is the same for any other criteria. I need to combine the large function with the Xlookup function. As this video is aimed at Excel beginners, I'm not going to go into detail about Xlookup, but it's used to find a value from one column based on a value in another, which is exactly what I need here. Find the second largest value in column B and return the name from column A that matches. So in H6, I'll put equals Xlookup. And the lookup value is what I'm looking for. And as I said, I'm looking for the second largest value in column B. So I'll use the large function, open brackets, select the cells in column B, comma 2, close brackets. Then another comma, so we're back now to the Xlookup function. So we need the second parameter of the Xlookup function, which is telling it where to look, and that is column B, then another comma, and the return array, which is where the answer is coming from, which is column A. So I've said look up the second largest value in column B, search for it in column B, and return the value from column A. Close the brackets and enter. The second highest value is 185, and M rice is the corresponding value from column A for 185. Did you find this video useful? If you did, please give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you'd like to keep up to date with what I'm up to, why not sign up to my weekly newsletter? And you can do that at theexceltrainer.co.uk. But until the next time, have an excellent day.